Alright, what's going on, everybody? So today was a pretty technical day. I think it was kind of easy, personally. I take that back. Trading's never easy, but from what I was looking for, there were some obvious levels I think everybody probably should have caught if you're an intraday type of trader. But we're looking at the S&P 500. Gap lower. Opening range gets established. And we trade down into this level. So I was short. I came into this day short because the run up on Friday was insane. Everybody's, to me, it's overly bullish, and so I was looking for a pullback, and I was looking for this obvious level to be confirmed as now support. So I exited the short in here and got long for the bounce, and I caught most of the, not most, probably half of the bounce, because I was looking for this level to be act as resistance. So I took the quick exit here on the upside. Another reason why I got out of the upside so quickly is because internals were disgusting, to grossly negative. You get the ticks cumulatively are negative 4,000, and they're trending higher. While they are trending higher, it's hard to argue against this, especially when you have the ADD and VDOL or VOLD so negative. VOLD trending negative. It's hard to go against that, and so I took the quick bounce there and was looking to reestablish another short. But if you go back to this, and if I include the extended hours, another easy is, it's just reacting off this level. So once we got up higher into the opening range, I shorted again. Again, call it dumb luck, blind luck. Took a quick exit, but where I did not take a quick exit, and I tweeted in the afternoon, are we looking for, what I say, 28.51 into the close? What I saw was a head and shoulders. Here's the left shoulder. Here's the head. Here's the right shoulder. Right? Come on. If you look at where the left shoulder meets, where the right shoulder meets, that coincided perfectly. Additionally, you have the open range low, and price did not like that, and it flushed. So it took 26 minutes to get a 10-point move, and I had 28.51 as the target because that was the neckline. Everybody knows how to calculate these. I was gonna say it's fake. So real. I was looking at the SPX, but I called for 28.51 into the close. It says 28.50. SPX got, I think, 50 cents away. This got to 28.51 half here before it ripped on the probably market on close with some crazy number to buy. I don't know. But I exited half on the way down, and I'm still holding. I'm still short going into tomorrow. What I'm looking for tomorrow, which I like seeing this, is we can still maintain a longer-term bullish. Let me bring this one in. We can still maintain a longer-term bullish trend. We're up against support, but if this level is lost, if you look at all the orders or trading that was done in this zone, I'm looking for 28.40 to trade. Yeah, we'll break out of this channel, but there's going to be some point of control right in here. To me, it's centered around 28.40, so roughly I'm looking for 28.40. You also have a crazy week with the State of the Union. Nice typo for them. FOMC, I believe. Crazy day. So that's what I'm looking for. Trying to think what else to touch on. New JT album's gonna drop soon. What was the other one? No, this. Anyway, that's it.